Hello, thanks for joining me. Today I am painting a sunflower, and for painting a sunflower, first of all, I need to do the center portion. The center portion of the sunflower. Here there's a cone in between. So this is like this. This is the basic shape. This is a basic shape and this is a cone like metal. Now the metal is coming out from the center like this. This is a long crease here, one more long crease here, and the petal goes like this till here. See, I have basically marked a circle out and all the petals have to be within this circle. The widest part of the petal is like this, the middle area, and then it's touching down here. You're not seeing the actual point where it is touching, but it is coming down till here. Now the petals are going to overlap. So the between ones will be going behind. Now these are the front petals. Now here they will be very nice, fairly apart a little, and then in every space there will be a petal there. Like this. Now here some will be coming down here, this, and then here they'll be folding here from this side, coming down here, this is also coming down here. Another, all the shapes are changing here. Again, this is the shape, and here the center one is like this. Here. Now the underneath ones are tucked in between. You cannot see them. Here there is one petal coming out from behind like this. Another is coming here and curving here. This again here. This petal is here. And another is curving here from here like this. Now the behind ones are not visible. So here, see, this is there, it's going like this. Then this one will start here and end here. Now see, this is like this. One is coming behind from here, it's not visible, like this. Another is here from behind, all these petals. Yeah. This is here. So I have made the sunflower.